Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been 5-6 months, I don't remember, but as you can tell in the passenger seat we have the Wicker build for the Camaro. We're going to install it. I was going to wait till I get a few other things, but it's been a while since I've had this and I need to start working on this car again. I've been busy with work and a whole bunch of other things, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into the drive to the shop and throw this puppy on and see what it looks like.
I be living like a king since I hopped in. Yeah, my foot is in the bins. Yeah, I'm riding with a gang. Yeah, I hit a hot lick. I'm the top shit. Bought a two-seater. It's a Beamer, more than 100 racks. VV's Aquafina. I be iced. I don't ever cap. First name deal. I got my bag. Yeah, we automatic. Ice cream reefer. Hold it up. Yeah, we feeling gas. Driving with a Tavo. Going 100. Running Florida. Riding with my shawty. Yeah, I knew I had to forward her. Looking like a bottle. Shawty bad. Yeah, she know what's up. Looking at the stars. At the stars. I don't fuck it up. Shawty catch a vibe. Yeah, I had a.
So we got the Wicker bill here. I've had it for a while now. I forgot what model this one is from ZL1 add-ons, but I'll leave the link down in the description. I've been procrastinating it because I've had a lot of stuff going on. I've been real busy with work. Also, it is terrifying to drill into the back of the car, but we're gonna figure that all out today. Don't mind how dirty the car is. The rain completely screwed everything up on it, so I gotta completely just buff it and do everything to it. But today was the day I decided I just wanted to throw this on there because it's time to get back to working on this car. So let's go ahead, mark everything up and see if we can find the center point. I know I've watched some videos where this model doesn't have it, but the split lights, they have the center line right here on the fitch ends. But that's what I gotta figure out, is the center line on the actual deck lid itself. So I'm gonna get all this cleaned up first and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I found my center line right there where that black mark is, and then these are the thread inserts that I gotta use. But my deal is right now is wanting to see how far up I want this thing to sit. That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. So I'm gonna drill that first hole, set this in here, and go from there. See how it looks, I guess. I don't know. It's all new to me, so we're just figuring it out as we go. So let's get back into it.
Hop inside an Audi, then I hit the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I wanna. Smoking marijuana, keep it hotter than the sun. Smoking till the sun up. They asked me if I have bands, I said bring your funds up. They texted me to a challenge and they didn't show up. Where they at though? Pop out at your party and I got the stick tucked. You just walked out on your skateboard looking like a dumb fuck. Mama told me get a bag and I said run it up. With the naughty and a jag, but I need a bench truck. I need real cheese, big ass peso. Don't fuck with me or this fucking bankroll. Got a 4.0 GPA on the road. Beating up and down the freeway, didn't pay a single toll. If you fuck with my money moves, I'll make it rights relevant. I'll make all of these niggas mad. They might scream and cry and vent. I might stack up 100 racks and buy me an elephant. I might send you another fact. Could you tell me if it's sent? Hop inside an Audi, then I hit the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I wanna. Smoking marijuana, keep it hotter than the sun. Smoking till the sun up. They asked me if I have bands, I said bring your funds up. They texted me to a challenge and they didn't show up. Didn't show up, I'm knocking at your door, right? Taking meds till I pass out on the floor, right? If a nigga step up, I say goodnight. Written on the ground in chalk, all that off-white. Put you right up on a shirt. I'll be damned if I never put in work. You a broke ass bitch, your pockets hurt. And I carry an Uzi, no vert, chillin' in the jacuzzi. My way, 90 on the dash, driving down the highway. Only care about the cash, what the fuck can I say? I've been waiting for the blow up, call me Pompeii. Hey, hop inside an Audi, then I did the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big rock.
All right, I'm officially done with the Wicker bill install. It was definitely nerve-wracking because these called for a 3/8 drill bit. I used a 1/4 as a pilot, and then the 3/8 hole that I drilled was still a little smaller than the actual thread insert. So I just took that 1/4 inch drill bit, beveled it out just enough to where I could slide those inserts in. But I really like how it turned out because of how OCD I was about it. Coming from making sure this side was as high as this side and make sure it was centered in the car. But we got it. It looks great. It looks way better than I thought it was going to turn out. And this first of many that I'm going to be doing to this car. If you guys would like to see something out of the ordinary, let me know down in the comments. I do like these bronze face Z28s, but I might change them because I am running a 315 in the rear. But for what I have planned on what I want to do with the car, I might go to a 305 or back to a 275. I'm not sure, but we'll cross that road when we get there. The next thing I'm probably going to be doing to the car is probably the full exhaust. I have headers, H-pipe, and the 3-inch Widowmaker that Black Widow makes. It's the same exhaust that I'm running on the red truck. So either that, the full exhaust, or the taillights and the diffuser in the rear. So that's going to be the next thing to come up with this car, but I'm excited to start working on it because it is a project I have been sleeping on. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.